add/move student method of rolling over students is suitable for use when the school has manually created student accounts and their student IDs have not been set. Before you begin this process, you will need to ensure that all of the new classes have already been created in Typing Tournament. Simply create an empty class and give it a name. You'll be able to add students in the next step. To roll over students, select any class from the list and then click the Add Move Students button. A new pop-up will appear which will allow you to easily move students between classes either in bulk or one at a time. In this example, we'll move the older students from Class 3-4G into Class 5-6H ready for the new year. Select the 3-4G and 5-6H classes on either side of the pop-up window. From the 3-4G list, tick the box next to each student that is now in Year 5. Then press the Move button with the arrows pointing in the appropriate direction to move them from the 3-4G list into the 5-6H list. You can repeat the process for other classes without leaving this screen by selecting each class in the list at the top of the screen until all the students have been moved to their new classes. Now it's time to remove the students that have left the school or are no longer enrolled. Return to the main list of students by closing any pop-ups and ensuring that you are in the correct class. From the list of students, tick the box next to the ones that are no longer enrolled, and then click the Delete Student button on the right-hand side of the list. You will then be prompted to confirm the deletion as it cannot be undone. The students will be removed from the school and their data erased permanently from the online records. You can repeat this process with other classes and other students. And finally, we'll add the newly enrolled students to the classes. Return to the main list of students for the appropriate class and then scroll down to the form at the bottom of the student list. Enter all of the students' details in the fields and then click the Add button. A new username and password will be generated for the student and their details added to the class list. If you would like to avoid having to use this method each year, you may reconsider using the CSV file import method. You can enable this by ensuring that each student in Typing Tournament has their student ID field filled in correctly. If you do this before the next rollover, you'll be able to follow the steps for the automatic rollover process from then on.